Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here, coming to you with another educational scalping video. This video is going to be super helpful to any of you that scalp trade or want to get into scalp trading. Or maybe you're scalp trading and you don't know how to get in and get out really quick. And if you don't, this is going to be the video for you. Before we get into it, if you take the 2 seconds, just hit the thumbs up for me. It helps the channel continue to grow. So with that out of the way, let's get into it. Okay, sharing the trade. Where did I go? Hang on a second. Got to be able to see myself. Here we are. Okay, so guys, this is what we're looking at. This is the SPY. The SPY mimics the S&P 500. All the SPY is an ETF. That's it. And the way that I trade these ETFs is off of support and resistance lines that I post every single morning over on Twitter and on our Discord. If you're not already in our Discord, I highly recommend getting in there. It's totally free. It's a great resource. Trading without a chat room is like trading alone in the desert. Why would you want to do that? So come into our Discord. It's a great place, great people. So this is what I do before the market opens. I post levels where you're going to see support and where you're going to see resistance. So we had resistance at the 423s and we had support at the 421s. So coming into the 421 area, okay, this is where I start to get interested. We didn't quite get there this time. We didn't quite get there this time. So coming into this area, which we are looking at right there, that is not the best arrow, but I'm using a mouse. It's, not the easiest thing to do. So let's just actually hang on one second. Yeah, that's fine. So coming into this level here at 421, I wanted to get involved. So I was thinking, should I get options? Should I buy shares? I decided to buy shares. It's free, right? But, options, they're not that expensive, but there is a commission that you have to pay when you trade options. And I knew I was going to be in and out really quick. As you can see, scalping is the best way to trade for my personality because I like to be in and out before something like this can happen. And you might be saying, but Matt, you have a support level here. Why did it just cut through it like butter? Well, that's what happens sometimes when the market and the trading algorithms decide to just hit the sell button, which is what you see. So right here, you start to see a very clear lower high. So you had a double top here in the morning. Trading could not get above this level. Started to trade down, but did not go lower than this one. So you would say, okay, we should be making a new high then when we come up here. Well, we didn't. So that's your first indication of maybe trouble brewing, okay? So when we started to tank here, I knew that I had to be very quick with my trade here because there was a possibility, since we're making new lows, that we could break that support. So once a support level breaks, it turns into resistance. It's the same way on the other side. When you break through resistance and you trace, price will always use that as now support. And that's just the way that these things work. So getting involved right here, like I said, I decided I'm going to take shares. Now, I do realize that not everybody is going to be able to take 100 shares of this. This trade would be, you know, $42,000. $42,000 this trade cost me for 1 minute, but I'm in and out really quickly and I know how to minimize my risk. So taking shares here, the way that I do it is I take a limit order. So I put in 421.02 and TOS actually filled me a very, very good fill because the price with the SPY, it moves very, very fast. So I got filled at a better price than I put in. And then we took off right as it bounced off of support. I know that this is my support level. It's literally 8 cents under where I got involved. So what do I do after I take the trade? It goes right in my favor, and I sell for a $26 profit 1 minute later. That's it. I'm in and out of the trade. This is called scalp trading, and that's what I did. I sold on this candle here, and then price just fell right away from me. So this was a very, very good trade, and it's very good scalping when you get the move in your favor really quickly, but it does not make a new higher high. Just get in, get out, because that's what can happen afterwards. So guys, scalping support, okay? This is what you want to do. You put your limit price in what you want to pay, you get in, you get out very, very fast. Now, you could set a stop if you plan on being in the trade and you want to take, you know, more than this, that's fine. You can always set your stop just under this 420.90 area, which is what I recommend doing because, you know, price moved an entire dollar in 4 minutes. So if you don't have a stop set and you're greedy and you're looking for a bigger move than this, then, you know, if you don't set a stop, that's on you. I really recommend, though, scalping these quick moves. So you get in, price moves in your favor because you are playing a support bounce. Support bounces, if they don't move in your favor right away, then you're going to want to just say, you know what? It's not giving me a bounce right here. Let me just get right out of the trade. So anyway, guys, I hope that you did enjoy this video. This is very quick way to make money if you're taking a support bounce trade. If it doesn't go in your favor, like I said, cut it. If it does go in your favor, don't get greedy. Take the profit because you see what happens. If you didn't take that profit, it dropped $1 in 4 minutes. So 100 shares, that could have been a loss of $100 in 4 minutes instead of a gain of $26 in 1 minute. So keep all that in mind. When you're scalping, when you're day trading the stock market, it could be very risky. I like to get in and get out before the bottom falls out, especially if you're making lower lows and lower highs. You have to expect that that type of stuff can happen. So hit the thumbs up for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to have these educational videos just about every day that I can make them. And you will continue. Listen, if you're not being consistent yet, keep studying, keep looking at charts, watch the price action, and learn. You have nothing but time to learn, especially if you're a beginner. Just study and get in there with the demo account if you want. Just study, practice trading, and eventually you will be on your way to consistency. And that's what the name of the game is with day trading. So guys, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you back on the next video. Take care.